Deal with a desire discrepancy in your relationship from a sex therapist. It's totally normal to have a different libido or desire for sex than your partner or at different times in your relationship. We deal with this in lots of different ways in our relationships, like around finances. One partner may be more liberal, one may be more conservative, one partner may need more alone time, one needs more connected time. So we're navigating these competing needs, and it's all about collaboration. A need isn't a demand. It's about saying, here's something I need. What do you need? How do we work together? How do we honor both of our needs? It's important to validate each partner's perspective because there's challenges being the partner who has a higher desire, maybe feeling like you're always asking, not feeling wanted, feeling rejected. And there's problems with being the partner with a lower desire, feeling like maybe your partner's not hearing you, not feeling respected, feeling like you're disappointing your partner. So being able to validate each partner's position rather than getting of who has it worse. You'll want to know for yourself and for your partner what sex means to you, why it's important or not important, how you define it, because all of that helps you understand the why and the underneath piece better. And when we understand that, we can actually come up with solutions that address the actual problem. It can be helpful to expand your definition of what sex is. So often in heterosexual couples, sex is defined as intercourse and orgasm, which is really a narrow definition of sex. Doesn't give us a lot of wiggle room and can create disappointment if we don't hit those check marks, when really sex can be so much more. So if I were to ask you to take orgasm and intercourse off the table, what would you include in your sexual menu? And this can give you a lot more options to engage sexually. And also think about non-sexual physical touch and intimacy and what that looks like. Find ways to get to yes that honors both of your needs. Again, because one partner wants sex, the other one doesn't, one shouldn't rule over the other. But how do you collaborate together to get to a yes that feels good for both of you guys? Remember that sexual desire can be both spontaneous and responsive, and neither is better or worse than the other because they're both about desire. Although we tend to put spontaneous on a pedestal, which is where we just get in this moment, I just want you. I can't not have you in this moment. Versus responsive, where I wasn't really thinking about it, but I listened to something, I heard something, my partner did something, and now I'm in the mood. They're both desire. Remember that. Lastly, make sure you know what pushes on the brake pedal and what pushes on the gas pedal for you and your partner. Often we know the things that push on our brake pedal, but we don't know as much what pushes on our gas pedal. And think of those things. How do I take things off the brake and push on the gas? How to deal with the